Hello lovelies, so this is why I'm on an no-buy. I've got 10 eyeshadow palettes here, not 11 in total. I'll show you the other one because it's a special palette, but this one here, this Beauty Bay Smoky. So basically all of them have come into my collection within the last 2 months. I got this Beauty Bay Smoky for Christmas, and some of the other ones I got for my birthday. So I want to show you them. I want to show you that they've not even been touched. Apart from the Danessa Myricks Freedom one that I've got, I'm not messing about with that one. But you will see it very, very soon in photos and stuff. You'll see that it's not been touched. You just have to take my word for it, I guess. But can I show you while it's here? Look, you can see absolutely nothing's been touched here. Yeah, so this one came off my friend at Christmas. That Danessa Myricks Lightwork volume, is it volume 6? I can never get on board with numerals. That came off my mum for Christmas. This I've had since last February, never been touched. I was saving it for winter. I think it would go really, really nicely with the Beauty Bay Smoky palette, but I was saving it for winter anyway, and it's just not been touched yet. Then I got this Laura Geller one around, I don't know, I think it was October, November time. I saw it in TK Maxx for £7.99. I will show this one to you. So it comes in a nice white box like this with gold writing. And then this is the most stunning everyday neutral palette. You're not going to get anything fancy out of it, guys, but I mean, it's stunning. Especially those 3 browns at the bottom there. Absolutely stunning. Can't wait to use this. This She Glam one is very cool. My mum bought it for me. I don't mean cool as in cool. I mean cool as in like the tones are cool. It's very, very nice. It comes like a jigsaw, so I'll just show you this one as well. Can you see how nice the packaging is? It's called Moving On. Oh, such stunning shades. The only thing I don't like is that darn plastic sheet, so I'm going to have to try and find a way of keeping it. I could sellotape it to the mirror because I don't often use these kind of mirrors, but that's really, really pretty. Again, can't wait to use. So I forgot to say the She Glam Moving On. My mum bought me that for Christmas as well. This one I've had forever. Juvia's Place Laura 2. Can tell, never been used. I'd like to try it. I'm not much of a blue person, but I would like to try it. I mean, it's a winter palette, so I don't know whether I'm going to get around to it now, because soon we'll be in spring, won't we? So we'll see. I bought this Narbla one before I went to my no-buy as well. So it was bought way before June. I got it from TK Maxx. Look, the price has still been left on. It's $12.99 and it's the Read My Mind palette. Right, the only one that's been swatched is Rose because it's a duochrome. I mean, I like how it's been paired, like, so in quads. This one down here, I'm not too sure if I like it though. But I mean, I do like the browns, just looking on it, first impressions. The, like, peacock colours, like the blues and the teal, maybe not so much, but we'll see. Oh, as well, that palette looks a little bit different than the packaging. It's more darker. It looks really, really nice. Then this one my other friend bought for me in December for Christmas. It's the Odin's Eye. I can't remember what bundle it is, but it is beautiful. The only thing I've done with this so far is swatch it for a short. It's going to go back in the drawer. I'm not keeping it in this drawer with all these palettes just because I don't want it to get all shattered. So I put it in its own little drawer with my other singles. Right, on to my birthday. So my friend also bought me this. It's a different friend. It's not the same one. So this one's by Sampler. It's the single magnetic palette, but then it comes full, and I mean full, of singles, and it's in the shade 04. They've got all different ones. And this one, I guess, is the more neutral of the ones that they do. They do a really bright, colourful one, which isn't really for me, but this one is your neutrals and your cool tones, which I'm just really interested in trying. And they've got some like duochrome finishes in there as well. So you can buy it on Beauty Bay, but it's not part of the Beauty Bay line, it's sampler. And then I got this Revolution palette. I absolutely adore the Revolution palettes. I've got the Revolution Iconic and then Revolution Enchanted. And what's this one called? Revolution, the Celestial Icon, right up my street. When it said Celestial then, I'm like, oh, yes, please. Right, so already right off the back, that second shade in, that is a duochrome. This looks beautiful. Let me know if you've got it and let me know what you think of it. I'm already seeing quads, well, 2 quads that we can do specific looks. And then these two, like here, I mean, that looks like a duochrome on top as well. But these two here would be really nice for inner corners. I don't tend to use the creams, but I might do it on this occasion because it's got that, like, peachy cream. And it's got, like, the concealer base cream, which I've lost my eyeshadow primer, so that might work out. I just don't tend to like mixing cream with powder. I think I'm a bit funny like that. What's this one called? Is it Garden of something or other? The Garden of Stars. I saw my friend actually use it, and she's done some beautiful looks with it. At first I'm like, no, it's Blend Bunny. I'm not going to buy from Blend Bunny because it means I'd have to put in an order from America, I think they're based, aren't they? And then I'd have to wait for it to come and I get angsty. But then I saw Glisten Cosmetics did it. Let me show you what the palette looks like. So it opens up like a little book. Right, you'll have to excuse the plastic that's still on it, but it looks like this. I know it probably doesn't look anything, but when you get the eyeshadow on your lids, guys, trust me, it looks like everything. So, first of all, this month, once I've finished one more eyeshadow palette, I pulled too much out whenever I last did the Shop My Stash. I'm going to be using the Danessa Myrix and then Odin's Eye. I mean, come on, you know, I've got 11 palettes to use. 11 palettes could last me all year, especially when they've got as much shades as this. What's this? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 eyeshadows. I think Danessa Myrix is 18. Odin's Eye is 12. So, you know, I mean, what I tend to do, like when I'm doing looks, is I use every shimmer by itself just to test it out. At the moment, though, I'm using older palettes, so I'm not doing that with them. But with newer palettes, I do like to just see what the look comes out like. Obviously, with this one, I'll need an all matte palette as well. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do there. I might just use a neutral palette, or I might go for more monochromatic looks. We'll see. And looks will get posted here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.